the channel. Hello, viewers. Welcome to the channel MathComp. So, today I have come up with the four interesting topics of C++, that is features, uses of C++, advantages of C++, and disadvantages of C++. So, first, let me explain you the features of C++. Some of the interesting features of C++ are C++ is object-oriented programming language. This means that it focuses on objects and manipulations around these objects. Information about how this manipulation work is abstract out from the consumer of the object. The next one is rich library support. Through C++ standard template library, that is STL, many functions are available that help in quickly writing the code. For instances, there are standard libraries for various containers like sets, maps, hash tables, etc. The next one is speed. C++ is preferred choice when latency is critical metric. The compilation as well as the execution time of a C++ program is much faster than most other general purpose programming languages. The next one is compiled. A C++ code has to be first compiled into low-level code and then executed, unlike interpreted programming languages where no compilation is needed. The next one is pointer support. C++ also supports pointers which are widely used in programming and are often not available in several programming languages. So these are the features of C++. Then the next one is uses of C++. C++ is used in applications, games, animations, web browsers, database access, media access, compilers, operating system, and scanning. What are the applications of C++? What is where the C++ is used in applications? C++ is used for development of new applications of C++. The application based on graphical user interface, that is GUI, which are highly used application like Adobe Photoshop and others. Many applications of Adobe systems are developed in C++ like Illustrator, Adobe Premiere, and ImageReady, and Adobe developers are considered as an active in C++ community. The next one is games. This language is also used for developing games. It overrides the complexity of 3D games. It helps in optimizing the resources. It supports the multiplayer option with networking. Use of C++ allows procedural programming for intensive functions of CPU and to provide control over hardware, and this language is very fast because of which it is widely used for developing different games or the gaming engines. C++ is a main gaming suite is main developing suite of game too. So the next one, so you understood what is this in games where it is used. The next one is animation. There is an animated software which is developed with help of C++, like 3D animation, modeling, simulation, rendering software are referred to as a powerful toolset for animation. It is widely used in building real-time image processing, mobile sensor applications, and visual effects modeling, which is mainly coded in C++. These developed software used for animation, environment, motion, graphics, virtual reality, and character creation. Virtual real devices are the most popular in today's entertainment world. So you understood how this animation in where and all it is used in animation. So it is the entertainment world. In this entertainment world, C++ plays a most major popular role. The next one is web browser. This language is used for developing browsers as well as C++ is used for making Google Chrome, Mozilla Internet Browser, Firefox, and some of the applications are written in C++, from which Chrome browser is one of them. And others are like a file system. The map reduces the large clustering data processing. So Mozilla has other application also written in C++, that is a email client Mozilla Thunderbird, and C++ also helps in rendering engine for open source project of Google and Mozilla. The next one is database access. This language is also used for developing database softwares or open source database software. The example for this software is MySQL, which is the one of the most popular database management with the software and widely used in organization or among the developers. It helps in saving time, money, business system, and packaged software. There are other database software access based application used that are Wikipedia, YouTube, Yahoo, etc. The other example is Bloomberg RDBMS, which helps in providing real-time financial information to investor. It mainly written in C++, which makes database access fast and quick or accurate to deliver information regarding business and finance news around the world. The next one is media access. C++ is also used for creating a media player, managing video files and audio files as well. The examples are Winamp Media Player, which is developed using C++ language, which allows you to enjoy music, access, and share videos and music files. It also has a feature like art support, streaming of audio and video. It also provides access to internet radio stations as well. The next one is compilers. Most of the compilers mainly written in C++ language. Only the compilers that are used for compiling other languages like C Hash, Java, etc. Mainly written in C++ only. It is also used in developing these languages as well, as C++ is a platform independent and able to create a variety of software. So the next one is the operating system. The applications like film scanner or sorry, operating system, it is used for developing most of the operating systems like Microsoft Windows 95 and 98, 2000, Microsoft XP, Microsoft Office, Microsoft products. It helps to Microsoft and few parts. It helps in that, as well as the few parts of the Apple operating system also. C++ helps in developing that as well. And it is the Symbian mobile operating system are mainly written using the C++ programming language only. The next one is scanning. So, the application like film scanner or the camera scanner are also developed in C++ language. It has been used for developing PDF technology for print documentation, exchanging documentation, and archiving the documents and publish the documents as well. It is used. And among one after this, there are even other applications where C++ is used. There are other users also where C++ can be used. It is used in medical as well as engineering application, computer aided design systems. These applications are like MRI scan machines, scan systems that are mainly used in hospital, local and state and as well as national government and other department of constructions and mining. Also the C++ is also used, and application of this C++ is considered as the first preferred language to use among the developer when performance is considered for any developing applications. So you understood C++ plays a major role in the day-to-day life of the software, right? So the next one I'll be explaining you advantages of C++. What are the advantages of C++ are? Portability, it is object oriented, it is multi-paradigm, low-level manipulation, memory management, large community support, compatibility with C, and scalability. What is portability? C++ offers the features of portability or platform independence, which allows the user to run the same program on different operating system or interface at ease. Suppose you write a program in Linux operating system and for some apparent reasons you switch to Windows OS. You would be able to run the same code of Linux operating system which you have written the C++ code that you can able to run in Windows operating system as well without having any error. This feature proves to be a great convenience for the programmer. The next one, object oriented. One of the biggest advantage of C++ is the feature of object-oriented programming, which includes concepts like classes, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, data encapsulation that allow code reusability and make a program even more reliable to use. Not only this, it also helps us to deal with the real world problems by treating data as an object. This feature gave birth to numerous job prospects and technology. It is the fascinating to note that C++ was created by combining features not only from C but Simula 67 as well. The feature object oriented programming language plays a very important role in C++. The next one is multi-paradigm. C++ is a multi-paradigm. The term paradigm refers to the style of program, how the program is written. It includes logic, structure, and procedure of the program. The generic, imperative, and object oriented are the three paradigms of C++. So, what does this generic programming means? Generic programming refers to the use of single idea to serve several purposes. What does imperative programming means? On the other hand, it refers to the use of statement that change the program's state. Then the next one is low level manipulation. The next advantage is low level manipulation, that is, since C++ is closely associated with C, which is procedural language, closely related to the machine language, and C++ allows low level manipulation of data at a certain level. Embedded systems and compilers are created with help of C++. The next one is memory management. Is the one of the advantage of C++. It gives the programmer the provision of total control over memory management. This can be considered both as an asset and as well as a liability because it increases the responsibility of the user to manage memory rather than it is being managed by the garbage collector. This concept implemented with the help of DMA, that is dynamic memory allocation using pointers. The next advantage is large community support. C++ has a large community support by providing online courses and lecturers, both paid as well as unpaid. Statistically speaking, C++ is the sixth most used and followed tag on Stack Overflow and GitHub. The next feature is, the next advantage is compatible compatibility with C. C++ is much pretty compatible with C. Virtually every error-free C program is valid on C++ as well, depending on the compiler used. Every program on C++ can run on the file with .cpp extension also. The next advantage is scalability. Scalability refers to the ability of the programs to scale. It means that the C++ program is capable of running on a small scale as well as large scale of data. We can also build applications that are resource intensive. The last one topic, that is disadvantages of C. So in this there are four disadvantages: use of pointer, security issue, absence of garbage collector, absence of built-in thread. These are the four major disadvantages of C++. Use of pointers. Pointers in C++ are relatively difficult concept to grasp and it consumes a lot of memory. Misuse of pointers like wild pointers it cause the system to crash or misbehave anonymously. The next disadvantage is security issue. Although object oriented programming offers a lot of security to the data being handled as compared to other programming languages that are not object oriented like C, certain security issues still exist to the availability of friend functions, global variables, and pointers. Third one, that is absence of garbage collector. As discussed earlier, C++ gives the user complete control of managing the computer memory using dynamic memory allocation, that is GMA. C++ lacks the feature of garbage collector to automatically filter out the unnecessary data. The last one is the absence of built-in thread. That is, C++ does not support any built-in threads. Threads is a relatively new concept in C++, which wasn't initially there. Now C++ is capable of supporting lambda functions as well. So I hope you understood the features, uses, advantages, and C++ disadvantages also. So I hope you understood. So if you like the video, please do like it. If you have any queries, do comment. If you like the video, please do share it with your friends. And please don't forget to click on the bell button to subscribe and watch more videos. Thanks for watching.